Hello everyone, my name is Julie Michelle Clark and my UID number is 62254218, and I made this video to discuss with you all about my Tableau interactive dashboard, which I made data I collected from a company called CAT, which I was presented to in Professor Keynes's Principles of Accounting class. As you can see, there are 6 visualizations here, and they are meant to illustrate this company's situation regarding their total sales per quarter and year, revenue by category, top customers and sales, sales by division map, and sales by product line. The following are questions that we were asked to find in class by using this interactive dashboard to do so. So we'll start with the first one. What were the total sale revenues for the third quarter of the year of 2020? So third quarter would be right here, and the total sale revenues would be $7,991,212. Now, the second question was, what were the total sale revenues for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021? So we'll click medical category, second quarter of 2021, and the total sale revenues that we would have received for the medical category in second quarter of 2021 would have been $457,117. Alright, now the dashboard's back to normal, we can move on to our next question. Excuse me. Which product line had the highest sales in 2019 under the material processing category? So we'll go with material processing, and we're also looking for highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing category. We're looking for product line, so we're going to select 2019. Now we look down at product line, and the biggest square should let us know which one had the highest. In this case, it seems to be that in 2019, under material processing category, the highest product line sales was that of Pulsed YT, and that was of $2,507,810. Oops. Accidentally zooming into the map. Okay. Reset our dashboard once more so we can move on to the next question. What is the top product line for the Germany division in 2019? Now, here we're going to have to select Germany, and we're also looking at 2019. Opposite of what it was for the material processing category question previously, the answer here is low YT was the highest sales by product line under the division of Germany, and they made a revenue of approximately $4,231,351. We reset this once again. Alright, and now for our last question, we were asked to find out what happened in 2020 and which quarter had the highest sales in the telecom category under the UK division. So we're going to select telecom 2020 UK. Highest sales in the telecom. The highest sales was recorded at $157,968. Right? Something that I really liked about this dashboard was that we managed to filter out every single sheet so that we would be able to look how each data changes depending on which category is selected, and I found that to be a very interesting aspect myself. Now that all the questions have been answered, I believe that I have a fuller understanding of all the different sections and categories that are within a business, and as a global business management and logistics minor, I feel like this has greatly prepared me for my future and all my endeavors in the business realm in the future. Thank you for watching and have a good day.